I see that look. You are rifling through my cabinets and finding no food, as in no Lay's sour cream and onion, no Doritos, neither nacho cheese or Cool Ranch, not even measly Ritz crackers. My girls, before you say it, I will. Are you serious? No snacks? Am I supposed to chew a chunk of cheddar like a pilgrim? Honestly, I get it. Crunch matters. So, if you crave something crispy, make something crispy. Whoops. Make something crispy. Here's the move. Shredded cheese in little piles on parchment paper. Parchment paper, no substitutions. Bake at 370 degrees until golden brown, about 8 to 10 minutes. Keep an eye on them. Et voila, cheese crisps. You know, this isn't even my trick. Your big cousins, my cousins, served us these eons ago. You can see why we were always in awe of them. We didn't even know parchment paper back then. Now, Lizzie, I am talking to you. Stop rolling your eyes. Surprise yourself, impress yourself, make a batch. It's only one ingredient. Use Parm or Mexican blend, or experiment with your own favorite cheese. My girls, choosing real food does not mean giving up flavor or crunch, but it does require learning a few moves, like buying parchment paper. Far be it from me to tell you what to do, but make the crisps, because I love them, and I love you.